Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. It's class name. Blue color, red color, green color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use red color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for goat, G for glass, and use green color. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use yellow color. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion. Kids now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M, and use black color. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use yellow ochre color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Q. Q for queen. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use blue color. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U, and use red color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids again use red color and draw W. W for wolf. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow color. Yellow color. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. Kids again use yellow color and draw 3. T-H-R-W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use black color. Black color. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. S-I-X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. S-E-V-E and 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.